Modern PCR and TBR tire production requires equipment with the highest flexibility, efficiency, and quality. The Steelastic Next Generation Extruded Steel Belt System is a single process from creel to wind-up, featuring our innovative calendarless technology. It sets a new standard in steel belt manufacturing. Our extrusion-based system requires minimal operator input, has a significantly reduced equipment footprint, and eliminates the need for the complicated and time-consuming changeovers faced with calendar-based systems. Our equipment uses the latest laser measurement and thermal imaging technologies to rapidly locate and correct any imperfections in the extrusion, cutting, and splicing processes. The cooling drum accumulator ensures continual steel strip extrusion during short production stops for wind-up changes and other minor adjustments. Capable of making steel belt for over 4,000 passenger car tires per day, our cutting and splicing system features quick change vacuum tooling and automatic knife angle adjustment, allowing changes to finished belt widths and angles in a matter of seconds. The system produces consistently on-spec steel belt material using 3D inspection cameras and closed-loop control. High-precision steel belts are further enhanced using our inline hot and cold gum edging systems, producing gum strips as thin as 0.25 millimeters. Our extensive range of wind-up equipment can be customized to meet the needs of every tire building machine on the market today. Go calendarless with our next-generation extruded steel belt system. Contact Steelastic today for a free demonstration or production trial in our state-of-the-art calendarless cell.